Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a VIVO S17 for the first time. And to do this, here is the first thing you should see, which is a language selection. You can also go for accessibility settings to adjust something like a font size and etc. Now let's go for the English language and click on Start. Then we can pick our location, so choose whichever one you like. Here we need to agree to basically every terms and conditions. Now it is recommended to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi signal so that you can get the Google services. And actually I'm gonna skip it and set up our phone offline without it, because basically nothing changes during the setup. All you have to do is just log into your Google account. Then we can set our date and time, allow the Google services like location, device maintenance, and etc. Let's accept. Now we can set up our unlock method, that means the lock screen, and we can skip it. Then there's the keep system updated, and let's just click on next. Send usage and diagnostic data. You can disagree or agree. I'm gonna disagree. Enable TWS quick pairing, and I'm gonna disable it. Click on next. Now we can pick our phone navigation method with 3 buttons or gestures. I prefer 3 buttons. And our phone is basically set. We can click on get started, and here we have our home screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.